guys, it's Xiao. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new. Today's video is going to be my DIY centerpieces. So these centerpieces are going to be the ones that are going to be on our guests round table. I will be having a separate video on how I did our DIY head table centerpiece, and that one is going to be a little bit more different. It's going to contain a lot of greenery and then the flowers on top, because I just really like that look. I think it's just very shabby and chic, and it really goes with our theme well. So if you guys don't know yet, our theme is going to be gold, blush or pink, white, and then pops of greenery, because I love greenery. So if you guys would like to see how I made our guest centerpieces, then just keep on watching. This DIY only requires a couple things. First thing I'll be using are these white square boxes that I got from Michaels. They come in a variety of sizes, but the size that I chose were 5.8 by 5.8 inches. You also need some foam blocks. I got a pack from Michaels that came with 6 of these blocks, which fits up to about 3 of the white boxes. And then to cut your foam blocks, you'll need a knife. So this is my handy dandy Asian knife. Lastly, you'll need some artificial flowers. I really love peonies, so I decided to pick up a couple different shades. The peachy ones are from Michaels. The brighter and lighter peonies are from Joann's. And then I also decided to pick up these white cabbage roses to throw in pops of white. Next, I kept these leaves from peonies bundles because I also wanted my centerpieces to have pops of greenery. And then I also picked up this bundle also from Michaels. I don't know what these are called, but I really love the budded seeds at the end of them, and I think these just really pull the centerpieces together. To start, I would be trimming down the foam blocks to fit the boxes. So I will be cutting 2 blocks to fit into 1 box, like so. To do this, I took the box and laid it next to the block so that they would measure up, and took my knife and trimmed the boxes. I'm starting to feel like Dr. Seuss. You also want to make sure that your foam blocks aren't too deep inside of the box, so you want to lay it in a way where it is the tallest, if that makes any sense. And so here I'm just fitting to make sure that it fits inside the box, and then taking the second block, I'm just going to lay them next to each other and then cut, make sure they're the same sizes. And then before we start assembling, I'm going to take the lid of the box and just put it at the bottom, and I'm just going to keep it this way. You can get rid of the lid, but I like this look. So here we're just going to put our foam blocks inside of the box, and so they should both fit perfectly like that. There will be a little bit of a gap, but that's totally okay. And so for my artificial flowers, I have already cut them, so they are just like really nice stem. I just didn't do that on camera because it's kind of boring. But taking 1 flower at a time, I'm usually going to start around the corners. And then for the center flowers, you want to make sure they're sticking up a little bit higher than on the sides, because you want them to look more dome shape. And so you also want to make sure you are separating the different colors so they're not like clumped together. Just have a good variety of colors throughout the centerpieces. So I'm just going to add all of the big peonies first, and then I like to go in with the white ones and put them in between, just so again all the colors are separated nicely. Next, I'm adding in the leaves from peonies bundles. I really love these pop of green, so I'm just going to stick a bunch of them in between the flowers. And then lastly, we'll be adding in these budded seeded plant. I don't know what these are called, but I think this really pulled the centerpieces together. It gives it a very like organic, natural look. I'm like in no way a florist, but I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Alright, so that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to give a big thumbs up. And if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.